I'm gonna use the last of that little tiny fuel in this beautiful tunnel that's coming up. Woo! 5 minutes into Beverly Hills. I'm on my way to California for the first time in the Bugatti. Just kidding, I'm taking the tow truck. But we're gonna put the Bugatti on it, and that way I only add 200 miles instead of 1,000 miles because, you know, and no rock chips, right? So this is my first time towing a Bugatti. I mean, obviously I put my other one inside the trailer, but now I've got a tow truck and I want to make it to where we could drive this car around exposed because, you know, to be honest, I'm like driving it, but then exactly the same time I'm not driving it, right? So it's outside, we're driving it around, but we're not putting miles on it. So when we don't need to use it, let's just not use it, right? Be smarter about it. So I got these super special, I don't know if they're special. If you guys tow cars, I'm probably gonna sound like an idiot because I just am new into the tow world, right? I mean, first time for everything, you know? I've got these like underhooks right here. So I'm gonna start using those. Maybe Edmund will be proud of me because I've got these things right here. So we don't have a tow hook on the Veyron. Well, technically there is one, but it's behind a grill that's glued in. So these right here go around the control arms on the bottom, and it pulls the car out from even side so you're not on one threaded pitch. All right, I'm gonna set this up and we're gonna try it for the first time. Good news and bad news. The good news is that it's on here without any problems. The bad news is that I can't put these tow ramps in because I put the bed back down. So I gotta come back out. All right, I like the way it's strapped down. It feels good, sturdy, right? Everything's level. We checked behind the tires, checked all the stuff. It's not too tight, but it's not too loose. So LA, here we come. We're in downtown LA for a super secret project that Mr. Robson's involved in. I've decided to sell my personal car because I need to get something new, right? Every time we get something new, it's always really fun and it makes really good content for YouTube. So the S63 is on its way out. Now, if you guys saw my Instagram post from like 3 weeks ago, I was shopping for an SLS AMG because I love the Benz, but I don't know if I like to go with the four-door again because now my wife, you know, she has an SUV and we have a couple other cars that fit 4 people, and so maybe, you know, my daughter's old enough to sit in the front seat, so I might be able to go back to a 2-door car. So I'm not exactly sure what to do, but we've got the bug on the tow truck. We're waiting for the guy right here. I sold it in downtown LA, so we're gonna pick up what is the rest of the paperwork and finalize this deal right now. And then tomorrow morning, we're going car shopping. So I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna get yet because I'm all over the board. I mean, I have every exotic sports car for rent, but that's not my personal car. And I don't really like driving rental cars because rental cars, well, they're really cool, but they're not mine. And every time I'm driving it, it's not making money. So it's actually costing me more money to drive a rental car than it is just to go buy my own car. So the plan is to get something unique. I've had everything. I really wanted the Ford GT, and I used to have a white one with blue stripes, and that was kind of like hinting I was getting GTs, getting a GTs, getting a GT, and then the GT became like the new YouTube car. So I was like, shit, I don't know if I'm gonna get a GT anymore. But an all black GT, just like John Garage Goals just got, is just, I don't think I could pass that up. A striped delete solid black one is probably something that is so epic, I'm just gonna be all in no matter what. But at the end of the day, those don't exist. Striped cars are out there like flourishing the market, and there's 4,000 GTs I think like 3,999 of them are striped cars. So at the end of the day, we've got to do our best to find something unique. SLS is, it's really calling my name. I'm not a fan of WiseTech. I actually want to give a thumbs down to WiseTech all the time. They're always making me mad. They don't stand behind their products. Anyways, besides that, they've got a supercharger kit for the SLS.
Sitting on the coffee table.
And it's sitting on the coffee table. Robson was there today, so I don't know if that's what's gonna be there, but that's still an option. And then maybe I'll just try to buy it used so I don't have to deal with them. But who knows? Now that the S63 is sold, are we daily driving the Veyron? Oh my God, question of the night. I don't think I'm daily driving the Veyron because, quite frankly, it's a very beautiful car. It's very comfortable. But what are we supposed to do with this? How am I gonna put my kids in here? I don't know if you guys can see, but the camera fits, and that's it. We've got this, we went to the Apple store. We got this, what is this, a Fendi bag? Here, Robson, help me out, help me out. All right, hold the camera right here. Let's see how much can fit here. Let me see what I got.
What's in there?
One, that's it. That's all we got.
Oh, $5,000. Nice.
$10,000?
$10,000. Okay. What else you got?
There's $44,000 more.
All right.
And let's see, we got some more in here somewhere. Oh, wait, yeah, got it. All right, here. Now we're gonna set this up like this. Okay. We have a trunk full of money. And that's just about everything that fits in a Bugatti. There we go. There's $120,000 in a trunk full of money. We're gonna go get some sushi because I love sushi. We're gonna meet up with Edmund. He's at AGX. We need to go see the boys over there. They haven't even, Mitch and Mark, we haven't seen each other since the Charity for Kids event that Edmund threw. So I wanna go see him, but on the way we're gonna get some katsuya, as long as we can get in. And then tomorrow morning, we're headed to Beverly Hills, where every car dealership in the world is. And we're gonna go car shopping. Because car shopping in a Bugatti means that we get really good service. Bugatti navigation, where are we going? So we've got to figure out what to do. New steering wheel for sure. Not new, upgrade. I'm gonna use the last of that little tiny fuel in this beautiful tunnel that's coming up. Get a scrape? Are we gonna get a scrape? Not a scrape.
Fill 'em, bro.
God, listen. Thank God this place is 24 hours. That's all I can say. Look at this. Who drives a Jeep to AGX?
It's my first time looking at your car.
There's some problem right here I need to get fixed.
What the f***? How many Bugattis do you own?
Listen to me. This is the real thing though. I keep raising the bar. So the older I get, the more I buy, the older you're allowed to be. You know what I'm saying?
Congratulations, bro. So I heard whenever you get a Bugatti, all these YouTubers come and do donuts in your car.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. The best, okay, hold on. The best part about this is now when you do donuts in my car, you get to sign a axle waiver. If you break my axles, it's only $74,000.
I want
okay?
the YouTube requirements and criteria of last year.
Okay. Last year's requirements have slightly changed, okay? There's now contracts and paperwork and disclaimers to be done. Yeah, it looks nice, right?
Wow, man. Congratulations, bro.
When are you gonna step up your game, dude?
No,
honestly,
I have to.
Okay, if anybody wants to know a secret, Edmund has more money than me, okay? But it doesn't look like it, all right? And whose fault is that?
Oh, Chantal Jeffries.
I'm spending too much money on it.
You got habits, bro. You got habits.
This is sick, man.
Yeah. All right. Are you planning to eat? Because I have yet to eat, and I was
I
hoping.
ate, but I can eat with you.
No, you don't. If you have already eaten, then you get to pay for me.
No, see, the way it works, my tradition is the person that gets a new car, he treats others for good luck.
Can I take this camera inside that garage?
Well, you already did this with my car in the background.
No one knows what that is.
This year's criteria.
Oh my god. Hey, I'm going for it. officer. How are you? 5 minutes into Beverly Hills. 5 minutes. I will have to say the officer's very nice. And, well, I was in the wrong. So, you know, oh well. I'm going to take my my ticket with, what's it called?
Take it on the chin? I don't know. What's the...
Take it with pride. Great news. I did not get a ticket because the officer was amazing. He was just really nice. Bad news is that we have 4 minutes to get to our restaurant before they close, and I am not going to speed because he's driving behind me and I don't want to disrespect his kindness. So, and you know, well, it's late and we're probably going to miss it anyways.